Hello everyone, here are 10 lines on a playful wild animal, the elephant. The elephant is the largest animal on land. The elephant has a large body, two tuskers and a large trunk. Most of the elephants are grey colored. The elephant lives in the forest. The elephant loves to eat leaves and fruits. They communicate by touch, sight, smell, and sound. Elephants have high intelligence and sharp memory. In the forest, they always travel in groups. Elephants like to bathe in the rivers and streams. They are mostly seen in African and Asian forests. Thank you.